Hello and welcome. I'm Jimmy, and today we're venturing into the hidden corners of our planet to discover the world's rarest reptiles. These living relics have survived for millions of years, but now many are on the brink of disappearing forever. From snakes on remote islets to turtles with algae for hair, each has a unique story of survival and adaptation. Let's begin our journey into the realm of the rare, the secretive, and the magnificent, counting down the top 10 rarest reptiles on Earth. Our journey starts on Maria Major, a place seemingly untouched by time. This small island holds a secret, a story of survival against all odds. We're venturing into a world where every creature plays a vital role, and where the balance of nature hangs precariously. A tiny islet off St. Lucia, a jewel in the Caribbean Sea. Its isolation has made it a sanctuary but also a battleground. The story we're about to uncover is one of resilience, adaptation, and the urgent need for conservation, home to the world's rarest snake, the St. Lucia racer. A creature so unique, so fragile that its existence is constantly threatened. This snake is a symbol of the challenges faced by countless species around the globe. Once common, these snakes thrived in the lush landscapes of St. Lucia. They were an integral part of the island's ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining balance. But their story took a dark turn. This harmless snake was nearly wiped out by invasive mongooses. Introduced to control other pests, these predators decimated the racer population, pushing them to the very edge of oblivion. The consequences were devastating. Now, fewer than 20 remain, a testament to the devastating impact of invasive species. Each individual snake is precious, representing a vital link to the past and a beacon of hope for the future, clinging to survival on this last mongoose-free refuge. Maria Major is their final stand, a sanctuary where they can breed and hopefully recover. But their existence remains precarious, a constant battle against the odds. Every movement is precious, a hunt for food, a search for a mate, a simple act of survival. Each day is a victory, a step further away from the brink of extinction, a fragile existence on the edge of extinction. The St. Lucia racer's story is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Conservationists have launched a captive breeding program, a desperate attempt to bolster the dwindling population. These dedicated individuals are working tirelessly to understand the snake's needs and create a safe environment for them to thrive, fighting to save the species. Through careful monitoring, research, and dedicated care, they are giving the St. Lucia racer a fighting chance. Their work is a testament to the power of human compassion and the importance of conservation efforts. Each new hatchling is a flicker of hope, a symbol of resilience and the potential for recovery. These tiny snakes represent the future of their species, a future that depends on our continued efforts to protect them. The St. Lucia racer's fate is a stark reminder of how human actions can push a species to the brink, and a call to action to protect the vulnerable creatures that share our planet. Their story is a lesson in responsibility, urging us to be better stewards of the Earth. In Madagascar's rivers, the big-headed turtle stands out with its massive head and ancient appearance. Critically endangered, it faces threats from habitat loss, pollution, and relentless hunting for meat and the pet trade. Its powerful jaws crush snails but can't defend against human traps. Conservationists are racing to protect its habitat and establish captive breeding colonies. These assurance colonies are a last line of defense. The future of this living fossil depends on urgent action. Without it, this ancient turtle could vanish forever. High in Central America's breathtaking cloud forests, a realm of perpetual mist and vibrant life, lies a hidden world. These forests, perched on mountain slopes, are home to an incredible array of species, many found nowhere else on Earth. Here, amidst the dense foliage and dripping humidity, lives the arboreal alligator lizard, a shimmering emerald and turquoise jewel. Its scales catch the light like precious stones, a testament to the beauty hidden within these misty mountains. Perfectly camouflaged among the vibrant green mosses and delicate orchids that adorn the branches, it blends seamlessly into its surroundings. This camouflage is essential for survival, protecting it from predators and allowing it to ambush its prey. This arboreal reptile spends almost its entire life in the treetops, rarely touching the ground. Its prehensile tail acts as a fifth limb, providing balance and grip as it navigates the complex network of branches high above the forest floor. Sadly, its unique beauty has made it a highly sought-after prize in the illegal pet trade, where collectors are willing to pay exorbitant sums for a glimpse of this living artwork. This relentless demand is pushing it closer and closer to the brink of extinction, threatening to erase this vibrant species from the face of the earth. But the pet trade is not the only threat. Habitat loss, driven by rampant logging and the expansion of agriculture, further threatens its survival, shrinking its world day by day. As the forests are cleared, its range is now tragically limited to a few isolated pockets of forest in Guatemala and Mexico, leaving fragmented populations vulnerable to genetic bottlenecks and local extinction. Protecting this lizard is not just about saving a single species, it means saving its entire delicate cloud forest ecosystem, a complex web of life that supports countless other plants and animals. Each tree felled, each acre cleared, is a step closer to losing this living gem and silencing the vibrant symphony of the cloud forest forever. We must act now to protect these precious habitats before it's too late. On Round Island near Mauritius, the Round Island boa is the last of its kind. Once widespread, it survived habitat destruction caused by introduced goats and rabbits. Intensive conservation has removed these invaders, allowing the island and the boa to recover. The boa's unique split jaw helps it hunt lizards, a testament to its adaptation. Its story is one of hope, proof that with action we can reverse the damage and save species from extinction. Journey with us to the heart of the Indian subcontinent, to the rivers that pulse with life. Here, amidst the flowing waters of India and Nepal, lies a creature both ancient and endangered. The gharial glides, a master of its aquatic domain. Watch as it navigates the currents with unparalleled grace and precision. This is a crocodilian unlike any other, distinguished by its extraordinarily long, slender snout. This unique adaptation is perfectly built for catching fish, its primary source of sustenance. Once, these magnificent reptiles thrived in vast numbers, with populations numbering in the tens of thousands across these river systems. They were a common sight, an integral part of the ecosystem. But tragically, gharials have declined by over 98% in recent decades, pushing them to the brink of extinction. Their story is a stark reminder of the fragility of life. This catastrophic decline is largely due to the construction of dams, which disrupt their natural habitats and breeding grounds. Overfishing has also played a significant role, depleting the fish stocks that the gharial depends on for survival. And the ever-increasing pollution of their riverine habitats further threatens their existence, poisoning their environment. Their specialized jaws, so perfectly adapted for catching fish, are now struggling to find enough prey. And their unique courtship calls, once echoing through the river valleys, are becoming increasingly rare. These calls are essential for attracting mates and continuing their lineage. These remarkable features set them apart from all other crocodilians, making their potential extinction all the more tragic. Hope remains, as conservationists work tirelessly to release captive-bred juveniles back into the wild, bolstering the dwindling populations. These young gharials are carefully introduced into protected rivers, offering them a chance to thrive in a safe environment. But the species' long-term survival ultimately depends on our collective efforts to restore healthy river ecosystems, ensuring a future where they can flourish. The gharial's fate is inextricably tied to the fate of the rivers themselves. Their destinies are intertwined. Saving them means saving the waterways they call home, protecting the delicate balance of these vital ecosystems. Their survival serves as a crucial measure of our commitment to preserving wild rivers and the biodiversity they support, a testament to our dedication to the natural world. In Jamaica, the Jamaican iguana was thought extinct for 50 years, a victim of invasive mongooses. Rediscovered in 1990, it clung to survival in the rugged Hellshire Hills. Conservationists now collect hatchlings, raising them safely until they're big enough to survive in the wild. The wild population has grown to a few hundred, a remarkable comeback. The Jamaican iguana's story is a testament to resilience and the power of dedicated conservation. It's a beacon of hope for endangered species everywhere. In Queensland's Mary River, the Mary River turtle sports a mane of green algae, nature's own punk rocker. This turtle can breathe underwater through its cloaca, staying submerged for days. Once over-collected for the pet trade, its numbers plummeted. Today, habitat loss and nest predation threaten its survival. Protecting the Mary River is crucial to saving this unique green-haired turtle. In China's Yangtze River, the Chinese alligator, once revered as a dragon, now teeters on the edge of extinction. Wetlands have been drained for agriculture and the alligator's habitat has all but disappeared. Fewer than 150 remain in the wild with thousands in captivity. Reintroducing them is a challenge as suitable habitat is scarce. The Chinese alligator's future depends on restoring wetlands and coexisting with people. Without urgent action, this living dragon may vanish from the wild. Its survival is a test of our willingness to protect what remains. In Madagascar's Bailey Bay, the plowshare tortoise is the world's most endangered tortoise, coveted for its stunning shell. Its beauty has made it a target for poachers and the illegal pet trade, with wild numbers now in the low hundreds. Conservationists engrave shells and guard breeding sites to deter smugglers. Every tortoise is vital to the species' survival. The fight to save the plowshare tortoise is a battle against human greed. Only determined protection can keep this living masterpiece from extinction. On Fiji's islands, the Fiji banded iguana dazzles with emerald green and blue bands. Arboreal and agile, it thrives in the treetops but faces threats from habitat loss and invasive predators like mongooses and cats. On islands with mongooses, iguanas have vanished. Conservationists focus on protecting mongoose-free islands and breeding programs to ensure survival. The future of this vibrant lizard depends on controlling invasive species and preserving its last refuges. With effort, this flash of emerald can continue to grace Fiji's forests. The rare reptiles we've seen are more than curiosities, they're vital threads in Earth's tapestry. Their survival depends on conservation, habitat protection, and fighting illegal trade. We all have a role, from supporting conservation to spreading awareness. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of rare reptiles. If you want to learn more and help protect our planet's wonders, consider subscribing. Together, we can ensure these incredible creatures have a future.